Go.
Okay, so here we disassembled the RC car. Here we have a motor. It's just an electric motor that goes to
And the wheels attached, right?
yeah, the wheels are directly attached here.
Nice.
We have this, which is just a button, a press button. I think that it just like closes the circuit or not.
Turns on and off
Yeah,
probably.
turn
And
on.
there's so what I see here is that we have the lights, right?
We have a bunch of LEDs, 1, 2, 3,
4.
at least 4, because like we had one on each corner of, yeah, here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. And there's the
Right.
other button there that takes you the LED. So I think this one of the buttons probably turn on.
Yeah, and then here we have a speaker, and you can see that
Magnetic.
it's magnetic. A whole bunch of switches, like this one. This one is an on-off switch. This one is a touch switch.
So how does it work?
I think that when it goes like this, it closes the circuit there.
Oh,
and,
yeah, we can check that with the multimeter very
Yeah.
soon.
And then the same thing is this one. So when you see that we have like two cables, two wires coming on here.
Yeah.
I think that when it moves like this, it closes the circuit or not.
Okay.
And because it has three exits here, three prongs, I think that this two means that it's on. We can see there. It's very. This one is cool because it's physical there.
Let me go closer to see.
So we see that
Yeah.
when it's like this, it is on. This two here are on. The one to the left and the middle, and then when I click like that, it goes that way. It's
So when you don't touch it, the circuit's open
Yeah.
on the bottom, and when you touch it, the circuit's closed on the
Oh
bottom.
no, yeah. When I don't touch, this prong
Closed.
is on. Yeah, and there it's.
Very cool. Let's take a look at that on the
Yeah.
multimeter. What else?
Then we have
other motor.
Another motor. This one was connected to this.
Or that one maybe.
Yeah. And then we have one more motor, and this one is making us very intrigued because you see we have this gears here, and they just move like this. But we think that if we move this motor one side or the other, I think that then one of these two gears engage. There is only one way to find this out.
It's getting the power
We're
there.
going to put the power there and see what goes on.
All right. What about that circuit?
This big thing here is the main control. We can see that here we have
And all the cables go there.
all the
Every
cables
single
go there.
cable
Everything goes there.
So that is where the car knows what to do when you press a button.
This is the antenna. It was in the
Windshield.
what was the windshield? It even says antenna there. Then we looked at this part here on the back. We have this coil here. We think that this is to tune in, like to the specific frequency.
So the car, when we got the car, and also this is the skeleton of the car. We opened the car, and we really don't care a lot about that. But somewhere I saw the frequency of the radio. It's right here.
Okay,
27 megahertz.
27 megahertz. I'm positive that this is tuning to that frequency there. Right
Okay.
there.
So next step, we're gonna cut all the wires and we're gonna try spinning the motors.
Yep, we're gonna spin the motors. We're gonna take a look at all of the switches here.
Yeah.
We're going to validate our hypothesis. The hypothesis that we have are that number one, that this motors work. Number two, that this motor would work, and if we turn in one side or the other, we're going to be turning this gears one side or the other. And then the other hypothesis is that all of these switches, they do one thing or the other. So especially this ones, with the three prongs, because this one's with the three prongs. Then we can do something like, go straight unless it switches on, then go to the left or go to the right.
Yeah.
We can make decisions using this. And if you know anything about computers, internally it has this kind of switches. It's called a transistor, but the difference is that there isn't anyone pressing this. We have electrons that go there and say, boop, switch on or off.
Okay, that's a little advanced. Let's take it apart.
Okay, let's